Today, we are going to give Jackie therapy. Or should I say, therapy? Hilarious. Okay. Far to that tree, there's a muffin on it. If you could see it. It's that little shade on the tree. Let's go on with the therapy. Okay, never mind. Jackie. Here she is. Tell me your problem.
I don't know.
How do you not know?
I probably have love problems.
Okay. What's wrong with you? Because I see that there's a bouncy house right next to you.
The problem is you can't get in.
What's wrong with you? Love problems, okay.
Yes.
I have a problem too, but this is your therapy.
My therapy, you know.
Shut the fuck up, bitch. Okay. I didn't say anything. What's your problem? Why did you come here?
Because I have a problem.
What's your problem? What's your problem? A plane! Oh, the plane is leaving. So, what's your problem?
I like someone.
What's your problem?
They don't love me.
What's the problem? Anyway, well, I don't blame them because you're kind of ugly. Just kidding, just a therapy joke. I should have said therapy.
That's not funny.
Whatever. So, what brings you here? What's your problem?
I already said my problem like 5 times.
Actually, you said it once.
So I like guy doesn't like me back.
And that's a problem.
That's a problem.
And that's a problem.
And that's a problem. So therapist, what do you think I should do?
And that's your problem. Oh, look, somebody's coming to give you more muffins. Oh, cupcakes.
I already got a cupcake.
No, thank you. Your name's Jackie too, right? Oh, her name's Jackie. We're just making a YouTube video. Normal. Yeah. So, 12. 12. Oh, that's cool. Well, you could come here when you're done with the stuff. Oh, okay. Well, you're welcome to be here. Well, we're just gonna finish this little distraction. Okay, since that was
That's therapist, you know, because we all have problems.
because they were offering cupcakes.
Offering cupcakes for the.
Anyways, let's get back to the topic. What's your problem?
My hair.
I thought it was the guy.
Oh, right, that's my problem too, you know. I'm a woman full of problems.
You're stupid.
No.
I was abused from a child. Why don't you help me? I always help
I'm not
people.
a therapist.
Help me. I don't feel that good. I think I'm gonna die.
No, don't die.
What's your problem?
I've never met One Direction.
I thought you had another problem.
My problem is that.
What's your problem?
Well, I think I have a problem with you now.
What the? What's the problem with me?
That you keep saying, what's your problem? Now you're my problem. How are you going to fix that?
I'm gonna fix it by not saying it no more. I fixed your problem, so we're
Yes,
ready.
therapist.
One more thing I need to tell you.
Yes.
What's your problem?